Good morning, students. Welcome to the English maths class. And it's a new day, a new challenging time for us. Also, we are starting with a new topic. We are going to do chapter number 2, additions up to 20. As you all know, we are moving ahead in our syllabus. We had done few bits of these chapters earlier. Now we will have to move ahead and do the remainder of them. So the first thing that we will be doing is revising our wonderful story sums. Okay, so it's important that you remember what we have done in our chapter number 4, that is knowing your numbers up to 50. As now we move ahead in our maths class, which is beginning about these particular story sums. Okay, dear children, so let's practice this. Let's write today's date, which is 3.11.2020, 11.2020 on our textbook. Open page number 41 from the Oxford Maths textbook. Okay, it's a new month for us to do maths and a new chapter. We are going to go ahead in concepts in our maths class. Let us read. 7 turtles swimming in a river. 3 more turtles join them. Remember all the words we use for addition: join, add, more. Okay, so how many turtles in all? How many turtles in all? So what we have to do, 7, whichever is the bigger number, lock it in your mind. Which is the bigger number? 7. Lock 7 in your mind. Remain the fingers on your hand and count after 7. Like 3 fingers you'll take out. 8, 9, 10. So 1 will come in 10's place, 0 will come in 1's place. How many turtles? 10 turtles in all. Shall we go ahead? Sure. 2 monkeys swinging from a branch. We know the meaning of swinging. It is an action word. Swinging means that the monkeys are, just moving from one side or the other on the branch. 6 monkeys swinging from another branch. So there are 2 and then 6. How many monkeys in all? Which is the bigger number? 6 is the bigger number. Lock it in your mind. Take out 2 fingers. Count after 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the answer here. And 8 monkeys in all. 6 yellow butterflies sitting on a flower. We know we have practiced a lot of addition. 6 butterflies is written. 3 butterflies join them. Now what will happen in the paper? Even this side may not be written. So we'll have to write this complete equation. 6 plus 3, bigger number is 6. Lock it in your mind. 3 on your finger. Count after 6, 7, 8, 9. Total is 9 butterflies in all. Okay. Next. 4 elephants walking one behind another. 4 more elephants join them. So both the numbers are same. Then any number you can lock. And then 4 more. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Total is 8. And 8 elephants in all. 5 giraffes drinking water at the pond. 5 is written. 4 more giraffes join in. So the bigger number is 5. We lock 5 in our mind. Count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9 and 9 giraffes in all. Dear students, we are doing addition after a long time. Hence, I am doing all the addition exercises with you. Please follow this properly. Add the dots to make the number. Only have to add, so cut and count. Here 2 dots are written, here 3 are written, okay, and here 4 are written, isn't it? So, sorry, 3 are written. Let's just count here. 1, 2, 3, and then one more time, 4. So answer is 4. All we have done is counted dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here the answer will be 5. Then 3 dots plus 2 dots, 3, 4, 5. I beg your pardon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the remainder of 3, you people do it on your own and share it along. Add the numbers to make a new number. Add the number to make a new number. Okay. What you have to do? Let's just quickly do this same thing what we were doing in vertical addition, the addition where the numbers are standing. We now have to do it in sleeping. Okay, so please keep this ready and let's just do it together. Let's see what is the first sum. First sum is 1 plus 6, 7 is already given. Now 2 plus 5, which is the bigger number? 5. Lock it in your mind. Take out 2 fingers, count after 5. 6, 7. Answer is 7. 2 plus 6. Sign is not given, but we have to add. So, which is the bigger number? 6. Lock it in your mind. Count after 6, 7, 8. This is how we will be doing our addition. 1 plus 7. Which is the bigger number? 7. Lock it in your mind. Count after 7. Will it be 1? No. It'll be 8. So quickly write 8 here. Similarly, all the other ones you'll have to do and make a part of it written here. This much we will be doing from our workbook, which is page number 41 and 42. Shall we now move ahead? Today's worksheet, additions up to 20, worksheet number 1. Section, you know your section. I hope nobody has forgotten. First E, please write it on top of the line. Okay. Write it properly on top of the line, which is like this. Okay. Good. Write your name as well. Full name, like whatever is your name. So first name, daddy's name added, surname as well. Let's do the story sums. Okay. A squirrel has 9 nuts. Even in the exam, your teacher reads this for you. 9 is written. It finds one more. How many nuts squirrel have in all? 9 plus 1, which is the bigger number. 9 is the bigger number. Lock it in your mind. One finger. Count after 9. 1, 0, 10. So how many nuts? 10 nuts in all. There are 2 bees in the hive. Bees that live in the hive, the honeybee, or it can be a normal bee as well. 6 more bees fly in. How many bees are in the hive in all? 2 plus 6. 6 is the bigger number. Lock it in your mind. Take out 2 fingers. Count after 6. 7, 8. Answer is 8 bees in all. The hen lays 8 eggs. That means it gives 8 eggs. Then it lays 2 more. How many eggs did it lay in all? So 8 plus 2. It is written in tens in one frame. 8 in your mind, 2 on my finger. Count after 8, 9, 10. Quickly do it with Neha, ma'am, please. Answer is 10. 3 elephants walking one behind the other. 4 more elephants join them. In all, join is the word. How many elephants in all? 3 plus 4. 4 is the bigger number. Lock it in your mind. Count after 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll be taking out 3 fingers. 7 is the answer. 7 elephants in all. 5 giraffes are drinking water at the pond. 4 more giraffes join in. How many giraffes in all? 5 plus 4. 5, lock 5 in your mind. Count after 5. 4 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 giraffes in all. Parts that make the number, you just need to add like we did. 1 and 2 makes the number 2. 1, 2, 3. You're just joining it and writing the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see, you should be able to do these two. Okay. Add the numbers to make a new number. 1 plus 7, which is the bigger number, 7 in my mind. 1 on my finger, count after 7, 8. I'm just doing 2. 2 plus 5, 5 is bigger, lock it. Count after 5, 6 and 7. Please do the remainder. Wonderful exercise for us to do the worksheets. Helps us to do addition, number problems. In maths, solving is important. Dear children, at least 2 sums each you have to compulsorily write, or now at least start writing 3344 in your copy, which is a square line copy of your maths book. Okay, I really want you to do this and share it with Neha ma'am. Remember, in interaction I'm asking for everything, so till here your work shall be complete, please. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye bye.